Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we change phone wallpaper in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to change your wallpaper in your Redmi phone. So then how to change wallpaper in a Redmi phone and then how can you use your phone wallpaper setting. Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to change the wallpaper and guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your phone wallpaper setting is tap here guys, click on your profile setting guys. You want to change guys any online wallpaper, so you will have to on your mobile data, then guys you can change your online wallpaper. But we will click on profile and guys tap on wallpaper setting guys. You can see live wallpaper guys, you want to change, you can change from here if you have. But guys you have already your wallpaper, so guys you can change from here. So example over, we will change guys any wallpaper. So which wallpaper do you like? So we will click on this one wallpaper, apply here, and as you can see set as both home and lock screen guys. It's your choice. Guys, we will click on both option. Then guys your phone wallpaper will change guys. You can see new wallpaper, home screen, lock screen guys. So like that guys, you want to change wallpaper, you can change. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.